Girls and guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Now we have got a fun little nearly winter project on the go right now. So we've got a Alfa Romeo GTV Cup, an original Cup. I don't know what number this one is because it's up on the air right now. It's got, oh, hold on. So it has got a lovely Wizard exhaust system on it, and it does sound Z-nuts. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds pretty damn good. Now we had it in for its MOT, and there was a few issues with the brakes, so we put some new calipers on both sides, braided lines, made it good. We then come up with the decision that we need to completely refresh all of the underside of the car, front and back. So we waited to near winter. It is now near winter, and we're going for it. We are going to be removing the dog legs on both sides, replacing the bushes with Powerflex bushes, and having these all shot blasted and powder coated and making them all look very, very nice. Roll bars getting done, spring pans are getting done, all new bushes everywhere. We are going to really make this thing look very, very nice underneath. I'm not sure what colour the customer's going for because they're sorting out the shot blast and powder coating. I'm just doing the spannering part of it and fitting the bushes. But we've also got new springs to go in, new bushes to go in, new brakes to go on, discs and pads wise, new shocks to go on, because they are old. They're not leaking, it's just where I sprayed the loose juice already. And then we're going to do a few little bits up on the front. We've already done new lower arms on it. We're getting these done because they're easy to come off. New shocks and springs at the front. And then, to be honest, just been taking off as much as we can to get it shot blasted, powder coated and put back on. The car itself is actually going in for a full respray because unfortunately different materials cause it to change colour over time. But being a GTV Cup, it only does deserve the finest that we can do to it, so we are going to be sorting that out. So we're going to transform the underneath of this car. First thing we need to do is strip it. Now this consists of 19 mils, 22 mils, and just keep taking it apart. Now I've got a big old box for all the bits to go in, and these are our new bits. So we've got Koni shock absorbers in the big box, a whole big box of Powerflex stuff, front discs and pads, shock absorbers, cups, bump stops, don't even know what these are. Oh, boots, front springs, rear springs, a lot of, I'm sure there's more stuff, but that's what we've got to go on, and it will make a lovely difference, especially the Powerflex stuff. That always does make a lovely difference to one of these, and if I'm honest, I do like a GTV, especially like a proper GTV Cup. So let's start stripping. So we're back on the GTV Cup, and this is where we're at. Everything's stripped off, dangling in the wind. Removed all the pans, arms, and blah blah. Left a few bits up there like the shocks and stuff. And guess what we've just had a delivery of? All of the bits. Now starting from left to right, we've got all new springs, we've got new boots, we've got drop links there, we've got Koni shocks there, we've got discs and pads in Brembo there, we've got the backing plates that have been powder coated, a few bits on the front that have been powder coated, exhaust brackets and so on and so forth. Then we've got the upper wishbone arms, we've got one of the covers for the front engine, we've got new rear cups, we've got new bump stops, we've got spring pans with the Powerflex bushes in, all the Powerflex bushes that were fitted, got a big box of brand new bolts at the back there. We've even had a spare rad panel shot blasted and powder coated in black, skid plates. So we have got one hell of a parts pile here, people. Obviously I've already saved some time. The bushes were removed, new bushes were popped in. They're all just Powerflex Road Series. Now, we need to very nicely and meticulously fit everything. One thing that you didn't see, got all these nice new bolts for everything. We'll make everything look very nice, very shiny and very, very good. After this, the car itself is actually going in for a full respray, a full beauty respray. They're also doing the underside as well. I don't know what they're doing under here, but they're doing it. And of course, the legends of Bedford TP Autos are doing it, and I can't wait to see it when it comes back. We're going to be fixing this as well. So, only really leaves one thing to do. let's do the stuff at the front because that's the easy bits first and work our way back because it's still like, what is it? It is 9:06 in the morning. I'm going to say early. People can say that's late. No, it's early for me because I don't really like doing work until about 10. But I'm only joking. Let's get moving. Let's start fitting everything to the car and get it on the way. Hopefully have it on its feet later on. So got skid plates on at the front already. We've got 21mm roll bar bushes. These were silver powder coated. We've all got new nuts and bolts. The exhaust brackets are on there. So the anti-roll bar is just chilling in the wind because I need to put the upper arms on and start supporting the hubs. We've got all new bolts and washers for everything. Little small progress here and there, and we are getting there. Guess who forgot to do a lot of recording? Me. Completely forgot. I was working away. I thought I'd done videos on it. I haven't. So, not sure how this video's going to go. It's going to probably be a short video. However, let's show off what we've done so far. So, we've got some new Brembo discs, some new pads. The back plates are on, looking nice. Everything's all good. Calipers are getting painted. Do not worry, people. I know people are annoyed about that. So, the arms have got the Powerflex bushes in. They're all fitted. They're all marked up. We've got the Koni STRT shocks on at the back. New drop links. Spring pans are on. All the washers. We even had that done, which was pretty cool. New bolts, new SKF springs, new bump stops, new cups. We've got Powerflex bushes up there as well. She is looking rather nice. We even did, obviously I haven't finished cleaning it, some of the brackets in silver, exhaust brackets, just because we could. This, we fixed that because that was hanging down, just a nice big washer over the top. Also, we did the same with this one here. That's done. And then we look on this lovely side as well. We've got the Konis on, looking lovely. Drop links, upper arms, all new bushes, everything is in and looking, might I say, bloody good. I just realised we should have had that done as well, but it's not in use. So, the 21mm anti-roll bar bushes are on. Obviously, everything needs a good clean. We still got stuff to do. Got a few brackets here and there. I just remembered them clamps need to go on the roll bar, so I'm gonna do that right now because I nearly forgot them. On, need to give it a quick little wipe up. Rear wheels are going on, then we're moving over to the front. No, it's not really important. Well, it is important, but it's nothing major, but there's that. We've also got the bracket here and the bracket there. There is a lot more happening with the underside of the car. We're just doing little bits as and where we can. Right, so we've just loaded it down, so we're going to turn it around. I prefer to work on it so there's more light, not a lot of light over in that corner. So everything's all done. I'm going to quickly road test it to make sure I'm happy with the back end, and then I'm going to finish off the front end. We will be complete on this today. And this one, as I said, has got a wizard exhaust, and it sounds... They do sound bloody good. Reverse it on the ramp, but of course, as we're doing front shock absorbers as well, just gonna have a little, as we call it, an underskirt pick. I mean, look. How can people, right? I know this is a repair video and a restoration video, but how can people not look at that and go, I'm madly in love, take all my money, I will have financial turmoil just for that. The way it sounds, the way it looks, I mean, it's going in for a full respray as well after this. So, you know, we're not even there yet. We've not even got the money shot yet, but it's really hard to work on cars when you've got that when you've got that to look at. There's a lot I could say, but I'm not going to say much more because I don't want to get banned. So that's what it is. I mean, it gives us this face. Yeah. Also, we got a Jake today. We're doing work on his car, which will probably be another video because, yeah, he's got a BMW and it's leaking power sweat, so we're going to fix that again. But in the meantime, must finish Operation Alpha. Wow. Just before we took the shock out, I noticed a drip of something on the floor and we have lost the brake pipe. So we are now making a brake pipe. Right, so emergency replacement pipe has been made. I don't know if I've got the bends right yet. Oh, obviously 290s, can't go wrong, but I'll give it some angulation once we've got a shock absorber in. This is what happened. She just ruined my Friday. However, it's not too bad because we have a Jake and we are still getting things done as it goes. So all of it's out, drop links out, shocks out. Shocking situation with this, but we are going to move on. The smile after the pun, I'm not going to lie. All right, shocks are in, new boots, new drop links, everything's on and tight.
New pipe has been made. That clip needs to go in a little bit more. Let's give it a fine adjustment. Lovely. Brembo's are new discs, pads, and we are going to bleed the brakes quickly. Make sure the reservoir's topped up, it should be all good. Then it's wheels on and road test. Actually ended the journey now, so I need to clear that up. It's not leaking. We just bled it all up. So everything's all done now. Shocks, springs all together. Done that. New rad bar, lovely. This side, looking good. No complaints, no issues. Still got to torque the wheels up, but the brakes are on. Everything's good. Time to lower her down and take her on a maiden voyage. Well, she's all parked up. She's all sitting pretty. That was quite nice. God, they sound good. So, just a quick little video. Just a little. We've got some big videos coming up, but that was just one in between. That underside GTV restoration, full suspension change, and a random brake pipe. That one is done. Now, on to Jake's BMW.